Hello everybody, we are outdoors again, outdoor unboxing time. We'll do this as long as we can. Snow's in the forecast I think this weekend, but lots of leaves still need to fall, so I think we're going to be able to do a few outdoors. We might even do them in the snow, I don't care. So maybe we'll just go all around. I like doing these outdoor unboxings, especially this one. Final case of 2020. Technically, it is the Matchbox X case. When have you heard of that one? An X case. Because they're going through the alphabet. But I think this is the 6th mix, if I remember correctly, of 2020. This is it. We are done. We already did that with Hot Wheels. Now we're doing it with Matchbox. Some opening parts we still need to do. I actually got those from Mattel as well. They're the ones who sent this case over. So let's just get to it, shall we? Obviously, some anticipated models in this case. We will get to them. We'll see what the assortment is, what's in here. And then if we want to do some showcases, we'll do them. I think I've showcased a lot of these models already. But thanks to Mattel for sending them. And I'm already seeing stuff that I think people will be happy to. So, oh yeah, we're definitely seeing. All you need is that little, see that little white speck right there? And then I think that tail light looks kind of familiar as well. So 24 count case, final case of 2020, and then we're on to 2021. So let's just get right to it. Always curious, these assortments aren't, they're different. They're usually about the same. So it's not necessarily about what this particular case looks like compared to another Matchbox X case or 6 case, or number 6, I'm getting ahead of myself. It's more about what the assortments are. So we'll see what the models are, and then we'll see what the assortments are. We start with this 1933 Plymouth sedan. This is, I think all of this, there might be a couple of repeats, but all of this should be new for this particular case. That's how Matchbox does it. So we've seen a police version of this, so now we see this in a blue stock version. That is very, very nice in blue. Really like that casting. Here is the Gio or Geo Rescue. It's a Romanian car. This is Jungle Rides. It is licensed, so it might look a little bit cartoony, but it is an actual licensed car. That's kind of cool. Not my cup of tea, but this definitely is. Mazda MX-5 Miata in orange. Love that this one is nice and clean. You've got the tail lights and you've got the headlights. That I'm digging in a big, big way. That is fantastic. I'm looking. I never noticed that. Did you see that there's like some on the card art? There's like a little code there on the manhole cover. Never noticed that. I guess that's always been there, but I never noticed. All right, that is cool. By the way, some of you had asked if we noticed with the Hot Wheels that the J-hook was gone. Not yet on Matchbox. That might change, I'm assuming, later on, but they still have the J-hook. Love that Miata. All right, new stuff for sure. How about the Polaris Slingshot? Here is the artwork. Here is the model. That looks very cool. Really cool model. You know, again, my cup of tea, not necessarily, but I think it's really neat that they did it. How about this one? 1963 Austin Healey Roadster in British racing green. So we saw the Jag this way. Now we see the Austin Healey. There's the artwork. They went with the hubcap wheels instead of the what looks like kind of the tri-spoke style there. But that one looks cool. I know a lot of you will say you would like to see the gray bumpers go. I'm with you. Chrome would be better. That is what it is in a sense. How about this? Brand new model. So one of the first ones, it is the Powell Sport Pickup in yellow. And this thing almost looks, I think we did a preview of this one too. It almost looks like a kid's drawing, doesn't it? Like if you look at that side silhouette, it almost looks like what a kid would do, like a really young kid with like hood, window, back. But this is a real truck. 1956. Looks like it. I mean, look at the front of it. It's just a big box. There's the art. It's a really cool model. Another one that it's like, this is what you love seeing Matchbox do, are these kind of unique models. All right. You guys happy where we are? Here is a repeat. So we do have this one, the LCTX Taxi. It is the current British taxi. I believe that was in the last case. So that's a repeat. Put that over here. Oh, and so is this one. I believe, right? The 2010 Ford Animal Control Truck. Maybe it isn't. I'd have to look at the deco on that one because it looks like a repeat, but maybe it's not. Do we even care? Because we've got this one. It is the 2018 Bugatti Divo. I have gotten this question over and over and over and over and over and over and over again. When is it coming? Well, after a couple of delays, it was supposed to be, I think, 2 mixes ago. It is here, the Bugatti Divo. So this came from Mattel's distribution center. You guys are wondering when you can get it? Well, it'll be very, very soon, because if it's coming from the distribution center, it means it's ready to go in to Walmart's, Targets, whatever. It's ready to ship. So I'm assuming you'll see this very soon. Wheel Collectors has it already in the Power Grabs, but I don't think they have this case yet. So this in this particular art. So there is the Bugatti Divo, finally here, the most anticipated new model of the year, along with the other one we'll get to. All right, repeat. We've seen this one, I'm sure, because it's a special edition. They're doing it again, first and last mix of the year. It is the 1962 Mercedes-Benz 220 SE sedan, the Huey Rosquist, I'm probably saying that wrong, special edition that they were given to first graders. I'm assuming that went out, but now we've got it again. Another taxi, and how about this, the Chevy K1500, the Tourist Trail Hiker. That might be same as the Geo, right? Same deco? I don't know. Scary driving on that cliff. All right, big truck. Okay, Toyota Prius, taxi Toyota Prius. I think this is kind of cool. Some people don't like the Prius. Why not make it a taxi, right? Seems realistic enough. Cool Matchbox, kind of a take on the, would that be like the Uber logo? They've done a Matchbox version of that, and you have that rideshare deco on that. I dig that. Hopefully you guys too. It doesn't have to be, not everything has to be a super sports car. Look at this. Matchbox trailer trawler. How awesome is this? National Parks livery. We have we continue the National Parks theme with this one. Always happy to see a few of these each year, and this is a nice, unique version that will obviously go into my National Parks collection. Thrilled to see that. And then the 65 Land Rover Generation 2. Gen 2 looks good. In kind of a tan. Has the jungle look to it with that jungle camo, almost like snakeskin. And that looks really nice. Digging that one. It's a good mix so far. Some repeats, which we haven't seen before, but again, who cares? There is a new model. 2020 Corvette C8. We have featured this one as well. There's the artwork from, what is it, Highway? Looks beautiful in blue. I think this is a fantastic casting. We've done the showcase already. It's been previewed by Hot Wheels, or by Matchbox, sorry. And that one looks really good. So there's the 3 new models. We'll see what else is in here. And then I think Ford Coupe, this might be a repeat. 33 Ford Coupe. There's a few. That might be because they had to fill some holes. I know there's a couple models they were going to do with this mix that have been delayed. I think the Mazda 3 is one of them. We'll see it, but not. It's supposed to be for this mix, but it's not in there. And then here's the Jeep 4x4. So this happens. Technically, they don't want to, but I just think because this already has the Corvette, the Pal Sport, and the Bugatti, I don't think people are going to be too frustrated with the repeats. I will say, though, they could have put maybe 2 Bugattis in here, or 2. Oh, we do have another new model. Or 2 Corvettes, right? Or both. Because they repeated the taxi. 2015 Mercedes-Benz G550 in blue. We saw it in purple already. Now we see it in this kind of satin blue, which looks nice. Even on the tire cover, that looks cool. And then it's got the headlights there. Digging that one. Repeat. This is a new model, the Jeep Renegade, but I think it is a repeat. We've already seen this one out. It's getting a little windy. You might see some leaves fall. And then here's the other new model, 2020 Jeep Gladiator. We've seen Hot Wheels do this one, right? Theirs has motorcycles in the back, and then Matchbox has given us the doorless, roofless ones. So I'm digging this one for jungle. I like it this way. You guys can tell me what you think, but I think this one looks awesome. And it's bare bones, kind of broken down, not broken down, but like, you know what I mean? Like it's bare bones to the core type Jeep, which looks really good. We've got some taillights on here and some side deco, nothing on the front, but the brakes are good enough that I think that's okay. So there's another new model, and I think that's going to be it for new models. We'll look at those finally to end it up. 2016 Ford Interceptor Utility, El Segundo Police, that looks nice. I think that's a recolor, right? We saw it in Highway Patrol, so now we have two colors of this one. It's a new casting. So I guess we can put it... No, it's not a new casting. It's not a new casting, so we'll put it over here in this pile. Porsche 911 Carrera Cabriolet. This one makes a triumphant return. It has been a while since we've seen this casting. I wonder if the year is still... Yeah, see, 1998. Can you see that on the base? Looks like they've updated because the 2019 is there, so they've done some sort of update. But original 1998, so a 22-year-old casting for this Porsche Cabriolet, and it is back. Nice to see that for you Porsche fans. And then this was a repeat, the 1968 Dodge D200. Put that over here. So there you go. 4 new models: 2020 Jeep Gladiator, the Corvette, the PAL Sport pickup, and we'll throw this right here. It's not gonna stay. Bugatti Divo. 1 each in this case. Obviously, I'd love to see 2, but they do it the way they do it. But so you're gonna want to get to your stores, either buy them from a hobby dealer or get to your Walmarts when these cases come out quick, because I'm sure these will be gobbled up fast. Many thanks to Matchbox. Like I said, I got other stuff from them as well too, so we'll be doing some other showcases throughout the week. You guys tell me what you think of this case. Tell me what you're going to get and pick up yourselves. Thanks, everybody. Bye.